Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you the overheating problem solution on POCO F8 Ultra. So it is completely normal for your phone to overheat, especially while you're charging your phone and using the fast charge, but you can minimize the heating first by closing all the background apps. Then, when you're charging your phone, remember to take off the case, and you can take it off when your phone is already overheated. Then, try to not use your phone as much with more than one app open at a time. Remember to use the original cable and the charger on your phone. And don't use it non-stop without any breaks. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.